Hi, my name is Derek from University Centre Telford, and today we're going to be making Easter cards. First, we'll start with your very own Easter chick. There we go. And all you need is some card or paper, glue stick, pencil or pen, pair of scissors, and some colouring pencil if you want to colour it in. So the first thing we do is to fold the card in half. Just nice and neatly. Try and match all the corners. Then we flip it over. We can sketch out what the chick will look like. And I like to give it a nice round shape to keep it nice and simple. But at this stage, it doesn't matter too much. It's the time to test out the water. Now we need to decide on where the mouth will go. Say roughly here. The reason I'm drawing it quite low is because you need to take into account the vertical height of the beak as well. All we have to do now is cut a line straight through the middle. Just like that. And then fold the corners up. Make sure you really push hard to reinforce the crease. Do the same on the left. Flip it around and repeat. Now you can unfold the paper, flip it around and push the beak through with your fingertips or pull it through. There we go. We now have the basis of the chick's beak. You can also add some feet, but I'm going to be lazy and add it on, draw it on later, or hide it with some grass. Now we just need to cut the chick out following the outline that we drew earlier. Okay, now that the chicken is cut out, we can prepare the card. I am using a blue card because it fits in quite nicely with the colour of the sky. But whatever you choose, just fold it in half and place the chick in the middle. What you can do is also fold the wings in, so we can give it a nice 3D effect of the chick holding a piece of paper later. A good way of gluing it down is to put the glue on one side first. Line it up with the middle of the card, and then really stick it down, close it and push it down. Repeat the same to the other side. And then that's stuck down. You can use the time now to add in the eyes of the chick or any other details that you want. You also don't have to do a chicken either. You can do any other bird or a frog. This works quite well with frogs. You just need to cut a bigger line to give a wider mouth. If the beak ever gets stuck, just use something like a pencil to ply it out. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple here. Next we can cut out a banner or a piece of paper for the chick to hold. You just need to make sure that it's less than the width of the chick's body. I'm just going to use a ruler to keep the edges straight. Again, I am just checking that there's room on either side of the paper. And then, similar to how we stuck the chick down, glue one side of the wing down first, fold it in half, put a glue on the other wing, and then close the paper and give it a good push. And from then, it's just decorating how you like. As you can see, the one I made before, I added some sun with yellow paper, some clouds and grass in the front. I also added, using the white paper, added some eggshells. And then with the front, you can just draw your own. What we could do is use up all the scrap paper and make another check in the front, and just use your creativity to make something that's awesome. We would love to see your creations too, so make sure you share them.